Hi, it's Jan, and if you've got a minute, we can make this. It's a Christmas tree appetizer with presents for under the tree that will make your holiday so bright. Here's what you'll need. Start by sautéing an onion and some garlic. Then add spinach and cook until wilted. Flavor the spinach with vegetable soup mix or ranch dressing, about a heaping tablespoon. Mix, then set aside to cool. Now in a bowl, add cream cheese, the spinach, some Parmesan, and mix well. You'll set aside some for later. Next, you'll need puff pastry or 2 containers of pizza dough. Roll out the first sheet and cut it in a triangle, setting aside the 2 pieces of extra dough. Spread the spinach over the tree, then add cheddar cheese. Make a triangle with the second sheet and lay it over top. Pinch the edges, then make branches by cutting 1-inch slices all the way down the tree, leaving the center intact. Then twist the branches. Add a square of dough for the trunk, then brush with melted butter. With the remaining dough, you can cut out stars and attach to the tree, then bake. Cut the rest of the dough into squares. Tuck them into a mini cupcake tin, spoon spinach into them, and bake. When done, you have a gorgeous tree with little presents that get topped with chopped bacon, a half a cherry tomato, and put under the tree. Then just twist the night away. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.